So this is the good news. So this is satisfaction. So that's why one should wait. Don't rush in. Fools rush in where angels dare to tread. Because guru is a serious relationship. And sometimes gurus are very anxious and eager to initiate for whatever reason that's known to them. But at least disciples, they should consider, you're finding satisfaction there? Because that's the principle. When you actually study the books of the Goswamis, you'll see, when they talk about sadhu sangha, and of course sadhu sangha ultimately means guru sangha. Sadhu sangha, sarva shastra hoy, lavamatra sadhu sangha, sarva siddhi hoy. This sadhu sangha, when the commentaries in this verse, oftentimes when the term sadhu sangha is there, it's talking about guru sangha. You can substitute the word sadhu for guru, shiksha guru or diksha guru. They are equal representations of the Lord. So that guru, by associating with him briefly, that shiksha guru or diksha guru, he can give siddhi, prem siddhi or mantra siddhi or whatever, different perfections depending on his outlook or his training. But when you read the Bhakti Shastras, then Rupa Goswami is saying that in choice of association for sadhu sangha or guru sangha, there's some principles. And so when Rupa Goswami is describing the principle of sadhu sangha or guru sangha, he says sajatiya snigdha. Snigdha. Snigdha is like the Hindi word sneha. Sneha means affection. It means the downward flow of affection, like oil, the flow of oil. If you pour some oil on a piece of wood or something, it'll flow down in a steady stream. Sneha. Sneha means something oily, something glossy, oily, affection, very thick. So this is when one is choosing association, he may have different choices of association. So this is some, let's say, qualifying principle that one should look for. Okay, my guru may be sajati, or this sadhu that I'm considering to associate with, or I have associated with, he is sajati. Sajati means he's in the same family. I'm interested in the Gaudiya Vaishnava Siddhanta. I'm interested in the worship of Radharani, or the worship of Radha Govinda Yugo, and the Prem Seva of Radha Govinda or Radha and Krishna in Vrindavan, and one of the Braja Bhavs, Madhurya Bhav, or Sakya Bhav, Vatsalya Bhav. My heart is pulling me in this direction. And the Gaudiya Vaishnavas are very much propagating this mood of service to Radha and Krishna, especially Radharani, Radha Dasyam, the Sakya Bhav, this Bhavalas Rati. So, sajati means that my guru, or the proposed guru or sadhu, he is presenting this sadhya, this goal, this attainment that I'm interested in, and he's coming in this parampara, this Gaudiya Vaishnava parampara, presenting this siddhanta. This is one meaning of sajati. And external way, jati means family. The same jati, family. So this guru, I'm interested in Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya, I'm interested in the Gaudiya Vaishnava Siddhanta and Sadhya and Sadhana, and this person is in that line. And or even if you've got more refined, that I'm very interested in this Madhurya Bhav, and this speaker seems to be, or this guru or sadhu seems to be very much speaking about this. Radha and Krishna's Braja pastimes, Lord Gauranga's ecstatic mood of Vipralamba and Radha Bhav, and all these things. So I will associate with this guru or with this sadhu. This is our choice, our predilection. But then the second quality or lakshana is snigdha. Is this guru affectionate? Is he showing affection towards me, or is he's aloof? He's speaking very nicely, and he's very expert or whatever in this field or this siddhanta. He's Gaudiya Vaishnava. He's very learned. But is he soft-hearted towards me, or is he's in his own bhav or whatever? So, because I personally, in my own experience, in meeting different sadhus in ISKCON and also here and there, and different sannyasis and whatever, and many of them were, of course, all of them were way beyond my capacity or my realization or my level of attainment, and I could But some of them, and they were all, so I would just line them up and say, okay, they're all very advanced devotees, and I could hear from any one of them and get benefit, obviously, the bhakti gyan, the real vigyan, and the blessings and kripa. But some of them were a little cold towards me. Not cold, but just, our stars didn't match, or whatever. Let's put it that way. And they seemed too grave, or too serious, or too fearful, or whatever. A different personality, because everything's personal. You can see so many sannyasis, teachers, gurus, Prabhupada disciples, they'll come and sit here and everyone is a different flavor. No two individuals are like. No, there's unlimited hierarchy. Everywhere in creation there's unlimited hierarchy. You go to buy toothpaste, there's 1,000 types of toothpaste, 1,000 types of birds. There's thousands of levels of sadhana. There's thousands of. You look at Brihad Bhagavatamrita by Sanatana Goswami. It's all about hierarchy. It's all about divisions, and it's not all one. Oh, he's a pure devotee. Oh, well, what level of pure devotee? Huh? What level of pure devotee? Well, pure devotee is pure devotee. No, is he A class, B class, C class? There's so many levels. What bhav is he in? What rasa is he in? Who is his Ishtadev? Does he worship Vishnu? There's hierarchy everywhere. So in the same way, when he's a guru. Oh, a guru. It's all one. No, there's so much is going on there. So we have to find one which tunes into our heart and tunes into our mind, and this is the Snigdha principle. And this is being shown here in Gadadhar. He's saying, Mantra Diksha Karilena Santoshapan. I felt full. I entered. I decided. I was convinced in my mind. I was determined to take, in my intelligence, to take initiation from this person, from Pundarik Vidyanidhi, and moreover, I became fully satisfied by his association, by his prabhav, by his influence, and my heart opened and said yes. My heart opened to this guru and said yes, 100% yes. My mind opened and said yes. My intelligence opened, so what's left? The Atma is functioning through these organs, through these instruments, and this embodied condition. So if the mind is saying yes, and the intelligence is saying yes, and the heart is saying yes, then what's left? As he says, Shigra Kara, Karo, Abhikaro, do it. And as they say, if it feels good, do it. I mean, it should be more than just feels good. So this is the good news. Tabe Gadadhara Deva Premanidhi Stan. Thereafter Gadadhar took initiation from Premanidhi with full satisfaction.